Alright, so what we want to do is way up there on top of the roof, the siding running up the roof. I want to potentially replace those pieces and cut them so they're a little bit off of the roof, an inch or so off of the roof. They got them right on the roof, so the water's just eating it up. And then right here, the three pieces that go beside the roof and behind the gutter, replace those. Come back over here, and then right there where the gutter meets, we want to take this gutter off and see if we can just move it away from the house about a ½ inch or so, and then put a little piece of flashing underneath that last piece of siding and underneath the roof so that it will pour into the gutter and help take the water this way so that it doesn't run down the side of the house. And put some sort of more plumbing putty or something inside of that gutter so that the water isn't coming out of it and onto the house as well, or even dripping off onto the deck. Same thing on this side. Those bottom three pieces, two pieces on the roof and the piece behind the gutter, same thing. Take the gutter off, try to move it out. But right here you can see the gutter's pulling away from the house, so when we take the gutter off, we need to take that fascia wrap off, see what's going on behind there, if that fascia board needs to be replaced or not. If so, replace it, rewrap it, reinstall the gutter. This one isn't doing that, so we don't need to do that on this side. And then there's one more gutter on the far side of the house, higher up in the air, that has this same thing going on. About the same length section. Need to take it off, take the wrap off, check out the fascia board, replace it if need be, rewrap it, put the gutter back. So there's another section. I'll go over there and show you. It's the same exact thing. Alright, with the deck we're going to stain the whole deck with a semi-transparent stain, and every one of these pieces of blue tape, we're going to replace those full boards. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, this one over here, 26, 27, and 28, the step board. Those down there are 2x. These up here are all 1x. So here's the whole deck. Walk around the outside. I also got all this lattice in here. All of this has to be stained as well. This. Yeah, hardest part about staining this deck is all that lattice in there, man.
That's what I figured.
So
Versus if it was just wood, right?
yeah, it's so annoying. It takes so long. You got one pole here that's been knocked out.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to somehow figure out. I try to somehow figure out a way to fix it. But without taking that whole thing down, it's hard to replace. I gotta sand down that stuff that I put on
The good thing though is you don't have 500 2x2 pickets. So they kind of trade out, you know? If you had all the 2x2 pickets that had to be done and that lattice, it'd be like, wow.
You want to probably capture a video of that other gutter also?
Yeah. I'm gonna get over there in just a sec. All right, and the last gutter piece was over here. So you can see up here the same thing, it's pulling away from the fascia board, so that's probably about a 12-foot long section of gutter. Take it off, take off the wrap, assess the fascia board, replace it, repair it, rewrap it, put the gutter back up. And that's it.